This is the Consolidated Rent-A-Car facility. It's bordered by Arbor Vitae Street to the north, Aviation Boulevard to the west, Century Boulevard to the south, and La Cienega Boulevard to the east. Approximately 6.4 million square foot facility, 18,000 rental car vehicles, including ready return idle storage and employee parking spaces, with a rental car leaving the facility approximately every 2 seconds during peak activities. So basically, in a nutshell, all the major rental car companies will be housed at this facility. And basically, you fly into LAX, you take a short trip from the People Mover train to the facility, you pick up your rental car. When you're done with it, you come on back, return it at this facility, take the automatic People Mover back to LAX, and you're on your way.